Hi everyone and welcome to another Langmuir Systems tutorial video. In the last video, we set constraints to define relationships between different elements in our sketch. In this video, we'll cover importing CAD files and tracing over templates using the Canvases tool. From the Langmuir Systems downloads page, you'll notice a link at the top for FireShare. FireShare is a CAD file sharing site that we host, and it's a great place to get CAD files to import. Click Start Exploring to see popular uploads. Click Share a Project if you have a CAD file that you'd like to make available to others. Use the search bar at the top to look for something specific. For example, the skateboard from the original Langmuir Systems promotional video. The summary portion is usually used to describe the intent of the CAD file or the material it was cut from. The license portion indicates that the uploaded files are available under Creative Commons with attribution. Click Download Project Files, then Download to accept the Creative Commons license terms and download the DXF file. In your Downloads folder, extract the files from the zip folder, then delete the zip folder to keep your computer organized. Now that we have a DXF file to import, open Fusion 360 and create a new sketch in the XY plane. Click the Insert drop-down menu. As you can see, we have a variety of options. The two that are the most relevant to our customers are the Insert SVG, if you're inserting a sketch from a vector program like Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape, or Insert DXF, if you're inserting a CAD file. The file that we just downloaded from FireShare is a DXF, so we'll select this option. Click the folder icon to select the DXF file you wish to open. Then click Open. Once you've inserted the DXF file, you can scroll below for more information and options. From here, all you need to do is the CAM process and the post process to convert it to a G-code ready for Mach 3 to cut. In this next example, we'll cover tracing over a template. From the Insert drop-down menu, select the Canvas option. Canvas allows you to insert a static image, such as a picture or scan of a template you've drawn, or an image you've downloaded from the internet, into the background of your sketch to use as a reference point and trace over. Click on the icon that looks like a picture, then navigate to the location on your computer of the image that you want to use as a canvas. Select the image, then select Open. Canvases can be moved and edited in very similar ways to other elements of your sketch. Canvas opacity will set how transparent the image is. I usually set cardboard templates to around 30 opacity, but it's totally personal preference. The Selectable tick box determines if you can select the canvas like other elements of the sketch. Display Through allows the image to be seen through sketch elements that are on top of it. We can also flip our canvas along a vertical or horizontal axis to make a mirrored or inverted version. Click OK when you're done. Next, we need to calibrate the canvas to a precise size. From the Canvas drop-down menu, right-click the canvas and select the Calibrate option. Now set 2 points and specify the exact distance between those points. From here, the entire canvas will scale using that information. Once our canvas has been calibrated, we can just treat this like any other sketch and use the sketch tools to trace over the template. The Spline tool is great for tracing over curved or intricate portions that other tools just can't replicate exactly. Note that the more points that you place when using Spline, the more accurate the final line will end up being. Thank you for watching this video. Join us next time where we'll cover moving, copying, and scaling sketches.